Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video I will show you if you are having a yellow sign, a yellow mark on your monetization limited ad, so how to make the video fully monetized. Once you are on your YouTube channel, you can click over here on your profile, and after that you can go to YouTube Studio. So in YouTube Studio you can see over here content, click over here. In channel content you can see the monetization is on this all the videos, but in my short I'm having a yellow dollar icon. You can see this both of the videos. So what you have to do is to request, click over here in dollar. After that request review over here, click over there. After that you can read this all the stuff and check this box, and you can put a request. It can take 7 days, within 7 days, and request submitted, and that's all. That's how you can request. So guys, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.